So here we are, Surfside Beach. Our RV, our home is right on the other side of that building. Basically a 100-foot walk. And this is what we walk into. I mean, could you ask for anything better? I'd like to wake up to this every single day and just walk along, all along here. That's what I'm talking about. Booyah, baby. Texas.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I mean.
So we decided to eat these, the perfect jalapeno and bacon bean. The perfect bean. So we decided to eat this with our brisket today as we're eating with friends.
Hey, this is Kyle with Keynote Destinations, and we're here today to find out about these perfect jalapeno and bacon beans. So let's ask this random stranger, sir, how did you like the beans today? Is it just me, or did he go into slow motion? I'm not really sure what's going on here. Anybody? Sir, no, really, I just want to know about the beans. You're making it really weird. Sir, can you please just tell me about the beans? I just want somebody to tell me about the beans. How about, sir, could you please tell me what you think about the beans? Can you just give me your opinion? They're fantastic. The simple bean, jalapeno, and bacon. Please tell me, sir.
I bet you got this recipe from the giant tortoises of the Galapagos Island.
Look, everybody's got jokes today. Why has he got jokes? I just want to know, look, how were the beans? Could you please tell me your thoughts on the perfect bean, jalapeno and bacon? Please, sir.
Man, is this good.